Hey guys, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this type of video like this and like this and this one. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this type of video using AI. It's absolutely for free for joining. So first, I'm going on Go Enhance. You need to log in here with your Gmail. Once you have done it, you need to click on video to video. I mean, you have a normal video, you want to translate it animated video. This is possible. And this is a normal video. Maybe China woman. Then this is animated final video. So exactly, I'm going to show you how you can doing this one. Just go this option. Once you have done login, okay, I upload a photo from my computer, then I want to generate its animation. So it has a lots of style available. You can use any one. Maybe here are lots of options for filtering, popular, v3, v2. So I using cute anime style and 2.5D pixel style. Also I'm using right now this one. Then if you want to add a prompt, so I'm using right now a super Indian dance with happy mode. Okay, then video duration, it's 3 seconds. This is 5 seconds. I'm improve right now. If you want to improve, it's up to 20 seconds. You must need update your plan, but I want to use right now for free. So this one Indian. Okay, I'm waiting few seconds for uploading this file. Okay, once you have upload, it's done. You need to click on generate. You can see it's already working right now. It's exclusively for me. Wow, my video are finished. If I playing this one,
Attraction, lights, camera, action.
when it finish, you need to just click on this icon, then click on download button. It will be starting download. It's downloaded my final video. So this is a really beautiful and attractive. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure to like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.